Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nuts and bolts is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in your toolbox, but they are absolutely essential. From securing the frame of a skyscraper to holding your car together, these simple fasteners are the unsung heroes of the modern world. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of nuts and bolts, exploring their different types, sizes, and the best ways to use them. Number 5. Jackson Palmer 2251-piece hardware assortment kit. This kit from Jackson Palmer includes a vast assortment of hardware. It has everything you need for various projects, with 2,251 pieces in total. It's a comprehensive solution for your hardware needs. Inside, you'll find 62 different sizes of hardware. This ensures that you have the right piece for the job, whether it's a screw, nut, bolt, or washer. This variety makes it incredibly versatile. The kit is organized with screws, SAE, and metric hardware. It includes a variety of wood and sheet metal screws, along with bolts, nuts, and washers. This provides a complete selection for any project. The nuts and bolts are grade 2, and the screws feature a 6-nib and Type 17 point. This ensures durability and reliability for all your projects. It's designed to withstand the rigors of DIY and professional work. This kit is ideal for household maintenance, repairs, and much more. It allows you to achieve professional results with ease. It's the perfect companion for any DIY enthusiast. The interlocking lid prevents the hardware from mixing. The removable dividers can be rearranged for further customization. This ensures everything stays organized and easy to find. The durable cases are stackable with locking tabs for easy carrying. You can expand your collection by adding additional empty bins. This makes storage and transport simple and efficient. What we like. This kit offers an impressive 62 different hardware sizes and over 2,000 pieces, making it perfect for tackling any project. It's built with grade 2 nuts and bolts, ensuring durability for all your household repairs. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who loves to be prepared for anything, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The kit includes 2,200 pieces across 62 sizes, covering everything from wood and sheet metal screws to SAE and metric bolts, nuts, and washers. The grade 2 nuts and bolts, along with the heat-treated screws, felt sturdy and reliable. This comprehensive assortment is incredibly well organized, with each piece neatly stored in a sturdy, compartmentalized case. Number 4. AETTLM6 Stainless Steel Nuts and Bolts Assortment Kit. This assortment kit is made of high-quality stainless steel. It offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it perfect for various environments, including wet or salty conditions. The screws feature precise cutting technology for sharp, clear, and accurate threads. This ensures a secure and reliable hold without any burrs or imperfections. The kit includes 660 pieces in 24 different sizes, along with wrenches. This comprehensive selection allows you to tackle a wide range of projects and applications. It includes M3, M4, M5, and M6 hex socket pan head screws, along with matching nuts and flat washers. This versatile assortment is designed to meet diverse needs. These screws are ideal for professionals, amateurs, and anyone in between. Whether you're into woodworking, construction, or repairs, it's a great choice. What we like. This kit is made from high-stability stainless steel, so it can withstand harsh environments. The threads are precisely cut for a secure fit. If you work in construction, plumbing, or HVAC, or if you need something that can handle the elements, you'll appreciate the quality and versatility it provides. What people say. This product comes with a complete and well-organized set, including M3, M4, M5, and M6 screws, along with matching washers and nuts. The box features a secure buckle on top to prevent the compartments from mixing during transport, which is a thoughtful touch. It includes a wide range of bolts, from M3 to M6, with cross-recessed heads, all of which are high quality with well-formed threads and sturdy heads. The stainless steel finish is an added bonus. Number 3. VIGRUE 212 PCS Hex Bolts Assortment Kit. This VIGRUE bolt kit is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. It offers excellent resistance to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for use in humid environments. The kit includes 10 common SAE sizes, perfect for various projects. You can use it to fasten metal, wood, and plastic materials together. The bolts are stored in a transparent box organizer. This makes it easy to find the size you need and keeps everything neat and tidy. The kit includes 53 hex bolts, 53 hex nuts, 53 flat washers, and 53 spring washers. It provides everything you need for your fastening tasks. VIGRUE stands behind the quality of this product. If you have any issues, please contact us, and we will resolve the problem. What we like. This kit is made from 304 stainless steel, offering excellent rust and corrosion resistance. It includes a variety of SAE sizes, perfect for fastening metal, wood, and plastic. If you're looking for a reliable, rust-resistant solution for your projects, this is the kit for you. What people say. Good selection of nuts and bolts, handy for home projects. Nice set with quality stainless steel bolts, doesn't show any sign of corrosion oxidation after several months outdoors. Me voici équipe, avec ce coffret, d'elements d'assemblage clairement identifies, propres et fiables. Number 2. DYWISHKEY Stainless Steel Screw Nuts Washers Kit. This kit is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel. It offers excellent corrosion resistance, even in harsh environments. This ensures its longevity and durability. The kit includes M2, M3, M4, and M5 Phillips pan head screws, nuts, and washers. They adhere to the standardized metric system with minimal error. The washers help protect the screws and parts. The 304 stainless steel exhibits weak magnetic properties due to its unique structure. This doesn't affect its strength or resistance to corrosion. It's a characteristic of the material. All screws and nuts are neatly organized in a sturdy box. Each type of screw has its own compartment, preventing loss and making storage easy. This ensures you have the best product in storage. This assortment kit is perfect for professionals, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone needing to replace screws. It's a great solution when you're missing bolts. The variety of sizes meets most requirements. What we like. This kit is made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, offering excellent corrosion resistance. The standardized metric system ensures compatibility, and the wide range of sizes makes it suitable for various applications. If you're looking for a versatile and reliable kit for your projects, you can't go wrong with this one. What people say. These work fine for me, it is a good assortment and the quality is just fine for my use. Light electronic prototype assembly. The hex keys worked okay, were a little loose but otherwise just fine. Good quality, great variety of screws, nuts, and washers for the hobbyist. Number 1. Glarks 5 10 pieces stainless steel screws bolts nuts kit. Introducing the Glarks Fastener Assortment Kit. This comprehensive kit includes a variety of screws, nuts, and washers. These fasteners are made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This ensures durability and resistance to corrosion, making them ideal for various applications. The kit includes flat hex head Phillips bolt screws, nuts, and both flat and lock washers. It provides everything you need in one convenient package. With a total of 510 pieces, this assortment offers a wide range of sizes and types. It's perfect for both professional and DIY projects. Please note that this is an international product. It may have different specifications compared to local products, including fit, age ratings, and language of product labeling or instructions. What we like. This kit includes a complete set of flat hex head Phillips bolts, nuts, and washers, all made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. It comes in a durable and sturdy box for easy storage and organization. If you need a comprehensive and organized hardware solution, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. They were sturdy, have held up to weather well, and have a good assortment and quantity. Including the nuts, washers, lock washers, and bolts all together makes it very handy, and it comes in a nice, if a bit flimsy, organizer case. Perfect kit to have at the house for when you need something quickly and don't have time to run to the store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.